Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change kids account into normal account on Netflix mobile version. So let's start by opening your Netflix. For example, this is the kids profile. So you cannot completely delete the a kids account, but all you have to do just change, or you can tap on to manage profile here. Here we go. You can delete this profile or just keep it this kids profile, and you can add profile without the kids profile option on. So there is two way to do it. For example, I add new account, new profile. This is non-kids, and this is the kids one. So how to change it? When you are on kids profile, you can tap icon at the bottom of your screen and then change or switch profile by tap this icon and then go back to kids profile and then go back again to a normal profile. So this is how you can change it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.